Hello, this is Steve and Rachel. We're
Hello.
here to discuss one of the new designs that we have out here in Manhattan Beach, California. This has been a very popular area for people who want to build their wine room, showcase their wines. Very popular area for wine storage. So this one was a very unique design, very modern design, which you'll see today. A lot of glass enclosed 4 doors, plus split system cooling units that we're using as well. So let me show you to the wine cellar. This design holds over 900 bottles. We started with having Magnum end caps on both sides to be able to hold some Magnum racks. The rest is all for the 750s. This is 2 fixed panels on this side. And on the other side, we have 4 doors.
This is our Magnum side. Over here we have the doors. It's a really unique design and we love it. I can see myself here entertaining all our friends, having dinner in front of this beautiful wine wall.
It's a beautiful backdrop, isn't it?
It's a beautiful backdrop.
Customer sends me a drawing or sketch of the wine cellar with an explanation of how it's being constructed, giving me the dimensions, length, width, and height, how much insulation is going into the walls, ceiling, and the floor. If there's any glass, they give me the dimensions of the glass, and whether or not it's single dual pane glass. And then with that, I can run a load calculation to determine what size cooling unit they want. And then we'll typically give them a call and talk to them to see if we can figure out which one of our systems would best fit the wine cellar. On average, you can expect anywhere from a 25 to 30% increase in required capacity for equal glass. That's the size wine cellar he did that took the 12,000 BTUs. If it was all 4 walls insulated, could have probably been done with an 1,800 BTU. It makes a massive difference. Like I try and tell customers times when they're designing a wine cellar, because sometimes they'll complain because we run into higher R value of insulation. But I try and tell them you got to keep in mind, you pay for insulation once. You pay for electricity to run the cooling system every month. The more insulation you have, the smaller the cooling unit you can use. The smaller the unit, the less electricity you'll use. It only hangs down from the ceiling 4 3/4 of an inch. It does need a minimum 18-inch depth to be able to install it into a cabinet. The face of the evaporator coil is also the drain pan, which is held in place by 4 screws and swings down for service. It's one of the quietest units we have. So ours have been redesigned with extremely efficient motors running at low RPM. You know, we run a larger fan blade at lower RPM, keep our CFM up, and keep the noise down. Standard shipping, we typically quote 6 to 8 weeks. Most units we try and keep in stock. If we have it in stock, we can ship sooner.